Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install TikTok on VIVO X200 FE. Let's begin! First, you need to go into Play Store. Though, in order to do that, you would need to have added a Google account. If you don't know how to add a Google account, we can always show you on other tutorials on our channel. You can just search them up. Anyway, once you've done it, you want to enter search. Simply start typing in TikTok. And just hit install. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.